Vermont's top health official talked about a new phenomenon you might be experiencing. It's called pandemic fatigue. It's described as the mental and physical exhaustion that comes with preventing the spread of a deadly disease. Local 22's Jolie Sherman has more.
Very long.
It definitely has felt really long at this point. It feels like it's been years.
It's been, in fact, 8 months since the start of the pandemic. But Allison Crumpf from the Department of Mental Health says feeling fatigued isn't uncommon.
All of the things that you felt, slightly heroic by doing in the beginning because it was for the greater good, it was for your own health, it was for the health of the nation and your state and your community, has now become a lot less novel and a lot more tiresome.
Therapist Kelly Tessier gives her patients a simple piece of advice.
Give yourself permission to be tired, to say, you know what, I'm really tired, but get out and move.
And she did exactly that with a new friend.
I always tell my clients, and I drive them crazy, move a muscle, get out, move, go for a walk, go for a run, connect with someone, volunteer with animals.
Both Tessier and Crumpf point out there's no easy fix.
I also think it's incredibly important to note that this pandemic and the virus itself has not impacted everyone equally. There are disparities and health inequities that have really come into play here.
But one Champlain College student told me how she's learned to cope.
I think for me at least really helps make it feel less fatiguing and less draining when you just kind of accept and are like, okay, this is just a new way of life, instead of trying to force what is now into what it used to be.
Dr. Levine acknowledged Tuesday that while our optimism may be low, it's imperative we continue protecting ourselves and others.
We just need to double down on prevention and not roll the dice on risk. Because one thing we do know is that when gambling with health, the virus might really win. We've been a model for the nation, and if together we can stay Vermont strong, we can keep it that way.
Jolie Sherman, Local 22 News, Burlington.